Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? This is your boy JMT, back at you with another video. This is an unboxing today of my 32-inch. I know it's not much of a size of television, but at least it has HD picture quality of the TCL HD TV with Google Voice and with built-in Chromecast, Android TV. So let's get on with this unboxing. Like I said, guys, this is your boy May-Trickz. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for helping me reach the subscribers that I got now. And I'm at 800 plus subscribers, and I am glad for you guys to be on board on this journey, the JMT journey. Alright guys, I know that's a bit of a stretch, but like I said, guys, JMT episode will be coming soon. This is just an unboxing, a little something for you guys for the moment until I get a JMT episode coming. Don't forget, episode 24 is coming soon. But it's been a while since I did an unboxing. If y'all haven't checked out my other unboxings, y'all go look at it on my channel on the playlist. It will be there. Like I said, guys, if y'all want to follow me on social media, you're more than welcome to. This is your average, got your TV, instruction manual, your batteries, your controller, your HDMI ports, and a little stand for the TV, and all of that shit. Now, as you see, look at this. I'm not going to take the TV out, guys, but this is just the unboxing of the TCL HD 32-inch TV. So, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be wonderfully bring more content to you guys. Don't forget JMT Season 4 coming soon. I'll follow you up, guys, with a Season 3 of Episode 24 and 25 of the last 2 episodes of JMT. This has just been an unboxing, a JMT unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your boy JMT. Much love, peace, respect, positive energy, good vibrations. Like always, stay safe, be positive, and I'll be backing at y'all with more videos. This is JMT. I'm signing out.